pulling a knife. They'll run the DOT tires. Man's gonna be our first puller in the diesel approach truck class. The green flag and builds the boost in the fast diesel fuel systems truck. I got him right down there next to the next to the 300-foot mark. As we wait for the measurement there on the church side for the stock diesel truck, we're going to bring up Ted Bowman. Ted Bowman's a rookie this year with the Tri-County Pullers in the open class longest training us throughout the night. We've got the green flag for Brent Myers, chasing down the distance of 293.51 here at the Macville Nationals. Brent Meyer backpedaled the throttle just a little bit there at the 100-foot mark to keep her hooked up. Made a really nice run. We had to drop him past the 293 mark to get back around in front of first 91 with Jim Greenway out in front. The pit farm for the quick metal comes out of the Shy Diesel camp. Now this class here is, I'll look at my note, 8,000 pounds is where they weigh in at. And now, like I said, they run a 3.6 turbo on it, 450 cubic inch. Now this is a 2.4 all the way through. This is a 7.3 Power Stroke with an 8-cylinder pump pump sitting underneath the hood. We're chasing down the distance of 399.64. I just laid down by Rod Carr. a fine line on these trucks and tractors to be able to get enough boost on both sides of the turbo before they turn the water on and get down the track. Now we have the option, all these pullers have the option before the 100-foot mark. If you shut it down, they can get towed back to the starting line and you can get one shot. This will be the last shot for Nathan Bake on the Jumpin' Jack Flash. Super nice guy. I had a chance to talk to him back in the pits a little bit. Excited to be here at the 43rd Annual Macville Nationals. I think that is the only, we got another Ford in the mix tonight. That is our only power stroke out here pulling tonight. We got Mark Thompson out of Caledonia, Wisconsin on the injection. This is a small Valley Dodge. He actually reached first place over there in Virgin Mac last weekend. On the Badger State Circuit this year, chasing down that distance at 299 change, laid down by the Twisted Metal of Rod Terror. Well, I tell you what, I think there's not much handicap between the DOT tires and the bar tires tonight. Mark Alford puts down her hips at the same time, signaling out in Illinois. Now we've got Twisted Metal. Rod Terror is out front right now with the Twisted Metal at 299 and change. Dave Johnson had some chassis issues early in the year. Made a couple of passes on it, a shakedown run to get the hop out of it. And it looks like he's putting out some pretty good passes now. Charlie Pistonka put down the distance on the unknown on the mini rod side. Now we are having we're seeing a little bit of a difference between the bar tires and the DOT tires. The bar tires are putting about 10 feet on the DOT tires here tonight, getting a little bit more bite out of these trucks. We're chasing down on 299, laid down by the Twisted Metal and Rod Tires early in the show. Side, we've got Dory Winham on a wild thing. Now this is a big guy. It started out as a 500 cubic inch Chrysler aluminum Hemi, and they de-stroked it. And all right, on the church side, we've got that distance of 303.91 from the Shy Diesel Dodge Brad Ingram. Shortly behind that, officially in second place, we've got Rod Tire on the Twisted Metal. Then it looks like Terry Biggs on the Deadpool, unofficially in third place. Got him shut down before the 100-foot mark, and they'll take him back to the start line and let him get it. All right, looks like we got green. We're going to double check here in a second. All right, we've got green flag on the church side. For Todd Cox on the Boosted Outlaw. Going to get another stab at it here. Takes out 303.92. driving through the shade that time, and just might get it done. He has to get around 303.91 or 92 on the infield side. He's going to make a pass on it so they can get some good data. I'll send it back to the Hazley camp. We're not going to get around that 304 mark, but still a good run at that. He out of Sudbury, Wisconsin on a Dodge with named all greased up, chasing down 304.42, laid down by Todd Cox. Just a couple of hooks to go. Now Ryan's going to be really happy with that run. Gets her right down close to that 300-foot mark. John Scrantley on the little red hooker puts a pass down at 239 and 11. We got one more tractor ready to go. Perry Butson on the E15 with our first Jeff over at Barefoot Gypsies over there for helping me out there with that this morning. All right, we got green flag on the church side for Trent Van Huysen out of Stockton, Illinois, with a 2001 GMC Duramax called Migraine. They're going to get her back to the starting line and get him set back up for the ignition in the fuel system. Trying to keep that weight down, a more movable weight throughout the tractor. All right, second shot for Trent Van Huysen on the Migraine. Chasing down 304.42. Laid down by Todd Cox on the Boosted Outlaw. All right, we get our distance towards Trent Van Huysen. We're going to bring up Perry Butson on the can holder. We're still chasing down 304.42 of Todd Cox halfway through the class. first place down to the last. Brian Schwer is first place. Second place, Sean Waiting on the go. Third place, Mike Evans. Boy, I'm at the 250 mark. Boy, I'm at the 250 mark. Things just did not sound good for the crosswire. Up on the church side, we got Jared Riff out of St. Wisconsin on a Dodge called the Farmer's Nightmare. Get a lot of help from Stall's Repair, Service and Repair down there in Illinois. And they'll be next truck up. Now we've got a distance of 304.42 with Todd Cox, I believe, out front. All the trucks, all the pullers down at the end of the track, coming off the track into the pit. I need to keep them moving. We're getting too backed up and can't get the trucks and tractors off the track. Here's Rick. This is a 304 and 1 on a dual time. 304 and 1 on a dual time. Good enough unofficially for third place. How about it for our Dodge fans with the DOT tires? Josh Stahl gets the Dodge hooked up right around the 100-foot mark, gets through the high.